Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mail GNC for sponsorship. Securing a corporate sponsor like GNC requires careful planning and a clear understanding of their brand. We'll walk through the essential steps, from initial research to crafting a persuasive proposal and ensuring proper submission. Our goal is to help you present your opportunity effectively, highlighting mutual benefits for both parties. Let's get started on this exciting journey. Before drafting your proposal, thorough research is absolutely key. Dive into GNC's official website and public statements to understand their philanthropic efforts, marketing campaigns, and core values. Look for specific areas where they invest, such as health, wellness, or athletic performance. This insight will allow you to customize your pitch, demonstrating a clear alignment between your project and their corporate objectives, making your application much stronger. Now let's focus on building a powerful sponsorship proposal. Your document should clearly articulate who you are, what your project entails, and why GNC should invest in it. Outline tangible benefits for GNC, such as brand exposure to a specific audience or unique marketing opportunities. Provide a detailed budget, showing exactly how their contribution of, say, $5,000 would be utilized. A well-structured proposal is your best advocate. Once your proposal is polished, it's time for submission. Ensure you address your package to the correct department, often marketing or community relations, to avoid delays. Consider sending it via certified mail, which provides proof of delivery, giving you peace of mind. After approximately 2 to 3 weeks, a polite follow-up email or phone call is appropriate to confirm receipt and inquire about the review process. Patience and persistence are valuable here.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.